So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing good and everything is working fine on your side, and like always you guys are ready and excited to learn a new strategy. So the name of the strategy we have already mentioned in the description. The name of the strategy is going to be confrontation. How you can use this strategy, how to apply it manually, automatically. We are going to talk about these things. Apart from that, some basic things like which are very important, like money management, risk management, goal settings. I will try to cover those aspects. These are some of the common topics on which we are keep on talking about, because I believe these are the things where most of the traders are struggling with. So that is the reason that these are the things I am always used to talk about. And in the meantime guys, comment section is already active for you guys, so if you will be finding any difficulties, any doubt, any question, feel free to write me over there, because this is your time guys. We guys are trying to conduct these sessions just to help our traders. So if you will be having any difficulties, please feel free to write in the comment section, because that is your time to ask your concern, talk about them. So make sure you use it. Before we start guys, just a quick piece of information I will be looking from your end. Please confirm me if my audio and my video is completely clear. If anything is required to be fixed, I'll do it right away, just to make sure that the rest of the session will be streamlined. We will hardly wait for 1 more minute and then we will kick off the session. We will not be waiting a lot. We will not be wasting the time those for the traders, those who have already joined. So respecting that, I'll be waiting only for 1 more minute. If you want to invite any of your friend, colleague, anyone, please share the link of this channel or this stream so they will be able to connect with us. And before you wind up the session, before you close the session, make sure, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Because guys, this is the official channel of Olymptrade. I am the official account specialist, trading specialist, financial analyst. So I will be helping you with your trading concerns. So make sure before you wind up, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us. Okay, so guys, without wasting any more moment, let's kick off the session. So again, welcome again guys. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to conduct live sessions every now and then, where we are trying to get in touch with our traders and trying to help them in their trading concerns. This is one of them. So again, welcome. Okay, so guys, I haven't received any confirmation so far. So guys, please confirm me if my audio and my video is clear. I have checked from my device itself, but still I just want a confirmation from your end. Okay, so I can see that there are some comments. Guys, keep on commenting, keep on dropping your doubts regarding trading. I will be coming to your comments also. Nothing to worry about that one. Whatsoever thoughts you have in your mind, just drop them in the chat section. I will be taking care of that. Okay, so let's kick off the session. So guys, as you have already talked, we have already talked about the strategy named. So confrontation we are going to talk about today. So the screen which is visible to you guys, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility that some of my traders, they are using the mobile application, so the interface might be different, but one thing I can assure you guys, all the technical tools whatsoever I am going to apply, that is available in your mobile also. So nothing to worry about. Interface might be different, the location of the buttons might be different, but the usage and how to use or implement the strategy, that is going to be same. So if we go to this tower, so the fourth button is known as the technical analysis. The same button is going to be available on mobile somewhere on the top. On the top you will be able to see your account balance, just below that your asset name, and just right to that in the shape of alphabet A, technical analysis button is going to be there. Once I'll click on that one, a new window is going to pop up. Just click on the strategy. If the window is like this, just click on the strategy, start scrolling down. And the third strategy of this advanced level, that is the confrontation strategy, which we are supposed to talk about today. Once I'll click on the strategy, a new window is going to pop up. these two buttons, FTT and FX, these means that this strategy can be used for both the trading modes. Either you are using on fixed time trading or forex, both are applicable. A small piece of introduction in the written format and a description video is also available for right now. Do not need to bother yourself. I am here to help you, so nothing to worry about that one. But in case in future, if you are going to revise anything, if you want to memorize anything, of course this session is going to be saved on the channel. Apart from that, you can take help from this video also. We will be quick enough just to start it. So once I'll click on the enable strategy, you can see that there are some lines, some dots, everything is there, are some bars which are visible on my screen. So in this strategy, we are going to use parabolic SAR with the frequency of 0.02, bears power 13 and bulls power 13 and bears power 13. Guys, if any of you, my trader, any of my viewer, whosoever is watching that video and that strategy is still locked for you, guys, nothing to worry about that one. Do not need to buy the strategy. The strategy can be applied manually as well. Just drop me a message in the comments. I will teach you, or I will try to cover that also. Before that, I just want to give you a quick overview about the strategy, that how this strategy works, and after that, I will be taking care of your trading concerns whatsoever you are dropping in the comment section. Okay guys, so we will start from the top and we will just keep on moving into the downward direction. So if you see on the screen, you can see that there are some small pink dots which are being, they are keep on coming on my screen. Sometime they are on the upper side of the candle, sometime they are on the bottom side of the candle. So how these small pink dots are going to help you, I'm going to tell you that first. If these dots are on the bottom side of the candles, so these will indicate that market can go into the upward direction. Just to memorize it, if you are not able to memorize that in which direction like the dots are going to appear and in which direction I should take a trade, so just consider it that these dots are like your hands. If they are below the candle, so they are trying to support something. Like, just take an example. If you want to pick something, you are supposed to grab it from the bottom. Again, on the contrary, if you are supposed to push something down, so of course you have to grab them from the top, you have to push them from the top. So if these dots are below the chart, they are going to tell you that market can go into the downward direction. Below the chart, market can go into the upward direction. On the upper side, then market can go into the downward direction. First confirmation. Second confirmation, we are going to get with the help of either with the bulls or the bears. So as you know, bulls means the market can go into the upward side, bears means the market can go into the downward side. So you can consider it, as you can see that there is a base level of 0 in both of them, and you can see that there are some towers being formed. Sometime they are on the upper side of the 0 line, sometime they are at the bottom line. So whichsoever bar is going to have a more strength or the bigger bar, they will be indicating that type of market is in trending, or that have more volume. So bulls means the market can go into the upward direction. So let's see, if you compare this tower with the help as compared to this, so you can see that the length of bulls is far more as compared to the bears, and you can see the market was trying to move into the upward direction. At the same time, if you take an example of this candle, the bulls candle or the bulls bar is far smaller as compared to the bears, and you can see that if there was more strength or the more volume to push the market in the downward direction, and market is also moving into the downward direction. So with that help, with the help of bulls and bears, you can try to fetch the information that in which direction market can move. So again, I am repeating myself. If the dots are on the upper side of the chart, they are going to state that market can go into the downward. If they are on vice versa, at the bottom side, market can go into the upward direction. And again, at the same time, we will be asking for the confirmation with the help of this either bull or bear. So just imagine if the parabolics are stating that market can go into the downward side. So we will check and confirm with the bulls and bears also. So the length of the bulls, either it is supposed to be in the downward direction of 0 or with the smaller length as compared to the bears. Sometime you will find that there is a contradicting information, like bulls is also in the upward direction and bears is in the downward direction, so we will consider the length of them, and most of the time you will find them in the same direction. So at that time also we are going to consider the strength. So you can see clearly the bull's power is far less as compared to the bear. So once we will be getting both the confirmation, then we are going to open a trade in that specific direction. And before moving ahead, guys, one quick piece of information, very important information. These are just the technical tools. These strategies, these are derived with the help of some indicators and oscillators. So there are no such indicators which are going to promise you 100% accuracy. Considering that thing, always and always focus on your money management and risk management also, because 100% accuracy is not promised. Considering that thing, try to use your capital wisely. Do not invest everything in a single trade with that hope that there is a signal and I'm going to make a huge profit. Sometime there can be market reversal. So considering that thing, because see, these are just the mathematical calculation based indicators, so of course you have to focus on that. Okay, so I hope so far everything is clear to you guys. In case if you will be having any doubt, any question, feel free to write me in the comment section. Of course I'll be taking care of that one. Just give me hardly quick 2 to 4 more minutes, and then I will be start taking your comments as well. And let's kick off the trading sessions. I will be doing some live actions. I will be taking some trades. But again, guys, 3 important things. It's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and 100% loss. Considering that thing, do not invest everything in a single shot. Second thing, always learn a couple of things, work on a couple of things, improve your technical tools, strategies, indicators, your psychology. Only after that start investing. Do not just jump into the live trading on the first day and start investing heavy amounts. Work on your skills first thing. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take during this session, everything is based on my experience, my strategies, my practice. So I am going to be the responsible for that. And third and the most important thing, I'm repeating, it's the most important thing. Even this session is live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute, then of course that can lead to a negative results, because our position is going to be not be same. So please avoid copy trading. Focus on learning the strategy. Once you will be having a hold on that one, of course you can take it to the live account. And in the meantime, if you find any signal that you want to try that signal, just let me know in the comment section. I will be taking trade on your behalf. That is going to be visible in front of you. If there is going to be a profit, then of course I am not going to share it with you, but at least you will get an idea that how this strategy is working and whether you are able to grab a hold on that. A few more piece of informations are there, then of course I am going to talk about that also. So just stay connected. Do not leave the session in the middle. I will be talking about some more important tips also about this strategy and couple of strategy which can be implemented on all the strategies. So let's kick off the live action first. Let's start shuffling our cards. Let's start looking for some signals. I will be opening some trades and then I will be okay. So I have taken one trade, but that trade went into the negative side. Nothing to worry. Let's see if we will find any signal, and in the meantime, if you will be getting any confirmation, comment section is there, guys. Make sure you write it there. Okay, so first parabolic is there. It's just to confirm you that market react direction, market can move into that specific direction. Again, if I'll have a look on the bull's power and bear's power, they are almost having this similar strength, so I will not be taking any trade so far. I will be start taking the trade on second parabolic. The reason behind is why I will be taking a trade on the second parabolic. That is the reason. It's in front of you guys. So you can see that the parabolic, they are just giving you the information about the market reversal. So the first parabolic is telling you that there can be a reversal, and the second parabolic will be stating that the market reversal has initiated, or the market is following the same trend or trying to follow the same trend. So if you will find that if the second parabolic is in the same direction, then feel free to open your position. But if the parabolic is changing the direction, I was thinking that where I will find this opportunity, where I will find this scenario to give you the clarification, but luckily we just got on the current asset. So do not open a trade until the second parabolic will appear and that market direction, that market will start trending in that specific direction. So again the second parabolic is there. Let's try to take a trade in the upward direction, but here I can see that there is a support level. Let's try to move to another asset. Nothing to worry, we will just keep on shuffling the assets, we will keep on shuffling the cards. Nothing to worry about that one, guys. We will keep on looking for the signals. Once we will find any perfect signal, we will try to take a trade on that one. Nothing to worry, we will just keep on hunting. And again I have applied this strategy on some specific some number of assets. That doesn't mean that it will be applicable only on these. You can use it on any strategy. Okay, so till the time we are not getting any signal, guys, let me just give you a quick piece of information that how you can apply this strategy manually also. So we are a bit late in while using, if I'll try to use this signal, but let's try. Let's take a $20 trade in the upward direction, but I have applied a risk-free trade for the same because we were supposed to take a trade at the beginning of this candle, but we missed that signal and it's been a very long that we haven't taken even a single trade, so I have taken one. Also guys, try to get a hold, like whenever both the pairs, bulls and bears, both are having the same direction, either they are on the upper side or in the downward side, because that they are going to tell you a better market scenario. So try to focus on that one. 23 seconds are to go, and then I am expecting that there will be a signal, so we will try to grab that. Okay, and just give hardly 11 seconds to go. Once I'll just take this trade, then I will just move to the comment section. Also I will be taking care of your comment. I am hoping that there will be a signal in the upward direction. So boom, I have taken a trade in the upward direction on Asia Composite as well, and let's see how the trade goes. In the meantime, I will just take some comments, or before coming to that, let me just talk about that how you can apply this strategy manually also. So all you just need to go click on technical, just type parabolic, click on this one. 0.02 frequency is the same, we do not need to change anything. Again switch, click on the same button, click on bulls bar, just type bulls, click bulls. You can see that this frequency is same, and when you want to apply the bears, again click on the same thing, just type bears. You will be able to see the same. Click on these three dots, click on save as strategy, and your strategy is ready to go. So it's a home cooked strategy, no preservatives, nothing. So of course you can use it right away. And second thing, you do not need to pay anything for that. So the strategy is ready to use, and you haven't paid even a single penny for that. Okay, so let me take some comments also. Let me see what my traders are having doubts with. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so the first comment was from Veera Ramani. Hello sir, withdrawal, how long it take? So Mr. Veera Ramani, the standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of the withdrawals are processed like within 24 hours, but if still that is taking some time, just stay calm. Once team will work on that one, that will be processed. Madhuresh ji, hello, will you give us signal to trade? Madhuresh ji, I am so sorry, I am not going to give you signal that how to trade, but I am going to teach you that how the signals are being formed, so that in case in future whenever you wish to trade, even at early in the morning, late in the evening, you should be self-dependent. You do not need to depend on myself. And second thing, once you know that how these signals are being formed, so if you are getting some signals, so at least you will be having some information that why I am supposed to take a trade in upward direction or downward direction. Because if my signal will not work, I will just say sorry, that's it. But that is going to be your amount which you are going to invest. So make sure you grab a hold on that. You should be having a hold on that how I am going to use it, and we will be helping you while learning these technical tools. Okay, Banu Prasad ji, very good evening. Short cookie versus USD, will it increase or decline? Short ji, please confirm me. Please clarify your doubts. I will be talking about that one. Tularam ji, withdrawal process long time. I'm so sorry, sir. It is taking time, but the standard time frame is 24 hours to 5 working days. I request you to please wait. And guys, I request you, please do not talk about your withdrawal and deposit concerns, because support team is already there. So of course they are here there to help. But this session is hardly for 1 hour. So I request you, please talk about your trading concerns so I can help you with that one, because support is available throughout the day, but we are available only for couple of minutes and hours. Okay. Lal Basir ji, hi, very good afternoon, sir. How can I open Islamic account? Sir, just drop an email to support team. They will help you with that. We are not getting your video. Emmanuel ji, I request you to please join the session again, close it and just start it again. Lal Basir ji, just connect with the support team. Just write it to support-hi at or support-en at olymptrade.com. They will be guiding you with your concern. Nothing to worry. It's very easy. Okay, Farooq ji, very good evening. Life is short. Hello, sir. Sir, life is beautiful. Okay, so still not showing. Please, only voice is being received. Sir, I can see that I have tried to use it, check it on my device multiple times. Everything is visible. I request you, please start it again. Just close the session and click on it again. Sir, how can I trade in volatility market? Preetham ji, always look for a market. See, volatility is not something which is going to affect your trading result. The type of volatility is going to affect. I mean to say, market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward or sideways. If there is a sideways trend, please avoid trading in that one, because that can be risky. But in the meantime, if there is a upward or downward direction trends, then you can have a hold on that one. And second thing, also try to grab a hold on strategies, on some technical tools, and use them for a longer time duration. Minimum to minimum trade time frame, chart time frame should be 1 minute. Okay, so okay, so we have taken 4 trades so far. All trades went negative. Let's see what was the thing, what can be improved. Okay, let me see, let me have a look on that. Okay, so there was a confirmation, but still the trade went negative. Okay, no worries. Let's try to analyze the second trade. Okay, so again we have taken a trade in the upward direction. There was a signal for the upward trend also. There was a okay, no worries. Let's try with a longer time duration. We will go for a 3 minute, even though we can see that the 3 minute trade was supposed to go negative, but the reason could be that the US market is about to open, guys. At that time we can expect some sudden fluctuation, sudden volatility, and you can see in front of your eyes that we are also facing some negative results. Sometime it happens, so try to grab a hold on your psychology also. If the trades are going negative, that doesn't mean that it's the end of the day. Just stay calm, work on your strategies, try to get a hold on that one. And if you talk about my way of trading, majority of time I'm just completing my trading, my trading session. I'm starting it somewhere around 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time. I'm used to wind it up before 5 or max to max 6. Even though if I am supposed to trade from like longer than that one, so the majority of trades I am avoiding from 6:45 Indian Standard Time to 7:15, because that is the time that when there is a pre-market session and the market is about to open up, and that is affecting the markets, volatility. So of course that can lead to some negative results, and you can see that also. But nothing to worry, we will try to recover all the funds which we have lost. Nothing to worry. Okay, so we will try to grab some. Okay, so we can take a trade in the upward direction. We were supposed to open a trade at this point, but nothing to worry. Let's see if the market will move in our favor. Okay, so there is no support or no resistance level also nearby, but continue volatility is there. So just to grab a hold on the market and to trade for a longer duration with a small capital. I am going to reduce my amount, that what we call risk management. I'm not going to keep on bugging with the same amount, just keep on knocking the same door with the same effort if I know that nobody is there inside. So nobody is going to open the door, but I have to knock, so I will try to knock it with the lesser strength, just to preserve my strength. Okay, so one trade is in the process. Let me take a couple of more. Still not showing. Sir, how can? Okay, please tell me the best strategy for new traders. Vakarji, there are no such strategy which are going to be best. Everything is best, everything is worst. It's completely depending on your skill set also. There is a possibility that there might be some traders, those who are having the 60-70% accuracy on confrontation, and some of the traders, they might be stating that this is not their cup of tea, or this is not something like which is very fascinating, and they are not able to make a profit at all. So everything is depending on your technical skills also. Okay, so today, Banu Prasadji, I am so sorry, no quiz are supposed to be there today, but in case in future if anything is going to be there, of course I will be notifying. Video is not seen, sir. Voice is clear. Vikrant ji, I request you, please connect it again. I have tried it, like I have fixed it from my end also, but please just close the session and join it again. What price action not working in Olymp? Surendra ji, you can use price action also on Olymptrade. That is completely fine. You should have a great hold on this, that price action, and even though if you have a if you can grab a hold on only on price action, there is a possibility that you will be able to make a handsome profit on composites, and that you can apply on all the strategies. Not only about that price action, you can use it individually, you can use the price action on all the assets, all the strategies. Again, market reversal and trade is going into the negative side. Let's see. I can sense that this trade will go into the negative because the trade is about to finish and there is a huge difference. Okay, no problem. Let me see what else we can do. Okay, so let's try to grab a hold on that. Okay, so I'm keep on shuffling my assets, keep on shuffling my cards, just hoping that the market will get stable and market will start moving in any specific direction, and we will be able to make some profits. And even though, guys, you can see that there are no specific direction or specific trends being followed in the market. Okay, this so the support level is broken, it's already passed. We were supposed to open the position at this level, but I am just hoping that market will sustain in the same direction. Let's see, let's move to the another asset, guys. You might be observing that I am just keep on checking the asset, different assets, and keep on opening the trades. I have that foundation. I have to show you that how this strategy works, what are the pros and cons, what things you can consider while using this strategy, but you do not have any such foundations. So please do not follow the same thing that you are keep on opening the positions back to back. Just open one position, wait for the result. Once the result is there, if the trade is positive, use your money management to increase your capital if you wish to. Otherwise, you can stick to the same. If the trade is negative, reduce the trade amount while using risk management, and this is suggested. Reduce your trade amount if the trades are not going positive back to back. After 3 trades, I'll suggest you to reduce the invested amount so that you will be able to use your capital for a longer period. Till the time trades are in the process, let me take some more questions. Okay, so my Habib Khan ji, please clarify your deposit issue, or the best you can connect with the support. Done. Thank you so much. Arbab ji, very warm welcome and a warm hello to the whole Pakistan. Thank you so much. Guys, this is something very fascinating. Like when I can see that the, people from the different zones, different countries, they are joining me and they are sharing their wishes and greetings. So this is something very fascinating. That is very motivating. So if possible, guys, please let me know from which part of the world you are connecting with me and you are able to hear me. So that is very a very happy moment, that I feel that I am trying to help one of my brother or a sister who is sitting so far from me, and still I am able to do something for them. Okay, so again reversal is there. If we would have opened a trade for 2 minutes, that was supposed to go into the positive, again reversal, and trade is seems to be going into the negative side. Okay, no worries. Let me take some more comments. Mohammad Rafiq ji, last more than 15 days, more loss. Mohammad ji, please confirm me what is your level on the platform, whether you are advanced, starter, or the expert, and which strategy you are using. Last, hi, I have withdrawal 4,000, still is showing pending every time related to withdrawal. I am suffering the same problem. Always live healthy life ji. I am so sorry that you are facing issues with the withdrawal. I request you, please connect with the support team. They will be helping you with them. It's lagging indicator, sir. It's not like that. It's lagging. You can use it, and in the meantime, these indicators, they are keep on changing their direction as per the market scenario, market updates. So that is something. And apart from that, as I have already mentioned, that I'll suggest avoid trading from 6:45 to 7:15, or if you want to invest, try to use small capital, because at that time there is huge volatility. The market is shifting from one zone to another zone. US market is about to open, and at that time I believe that the volatility is a bit higher and a bit more unpredictable as compared to the another times. Okay, Thala official ji saying that it's a fake scammer already. My money lost, fake withdrawal, fake uninstall Olymptrade. I'm so sorry, Thala ji, to hear that you are facing some difficulties with the platform. But one thing I can assure you, that there is nothing like that. We are the part of the FinCom. We are regulated by the government of venue too, so everything is streamlined, you can trust. And it's not like that we are just something new into the market. It's been more than a decade, guys, we are in the market. Okay, so nothing to worry about. But still, if you are facing any difficulties, support team is there, feel free to connect with them. And just a small request, guys, please do not copy paste your comments, do not spam them, because sometime if we are just keep on checking the comments, so that is hard for us to reach to the specific comment of those traders, those who need some help. Guys, today the market is not in our favor. Like last session when I took almost 12 trades and 10 were positive, today everything is going on the opposite direction. I am just thinking to take a break for just for some time, or let's keep the trade invested amount for the $5. Let me try to change the candle time frame and the trade time frame also. So we will try to use the same strategy with the 2-minute chart time frame and 4-minute trade time frame. Why I have kept it 4 minutes? So whatsoever is going to be the chart time frame, I am going to use 2 or 3 candles to trade. So let's see if we are able to book some profits with this strategy, like after making some change. If not, then of course we will be trying to make some more changes also, nothing to worry. Okay, and also guys, there will be some situation when you will be facing some negative results, so just stay calm. Now the signal, the number of frequency of signals will be a bit lesser, because we have increased the chart time frame, so that is going to be a bit more time consuming, but just stay focused. We will try to grab a hold. Okay. Okay, so let me check if any another assets can be considered to trade also. Okay, so I have opened a couple of more assets. Let me see. Okay, how much money lost? Bhanu Prasad ji, I believe I have lost around 5 to 6 trades, but nothing to worry. Hanan ji, please just connect with the support team, or just click on the help, explore these 3 buttons. You will be getting a lot of information that how you can make a deposit. Thala ji, I request you, please do not spam your messages, because that is going to affect another traders also. They are not able to, we will not be able to reach those comments, those who really need help. I stuck my money there. Vrinder ji, support team is there, please connect with them. Is it real? I received my money withdrawal. Of course, sir, this is real. You can, you will be whenever you will be raising a withdrawal request. Team can take 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority will be processed within 24 hours. Muzammal Haider ji, I request you please write down your comment in the English, because I do not know how to read Urdu or Arabic. I'm so sorry for that. How to add Kesav ji, I believe I have already talked about that, how to add bulls bar or base bar manually, so I am sure that your doubt is clear. Uh, my money 10k INR fake withdrawal, uninstall app. Thala ji, I request you please do not. Just a minute. Okay, so let me just try to check that how the trade is going on. Okay, so this trade I am expecting, I am hoping that it will go into the positive side. Okay, so let's see. All we just have made a small change in the trade, and I am expecting that there will be some positive results also. Please tell me about boom and crash forex. Sorry, Plant Boyji, he said, sir, my losses. I am so sorry, sir. I'm sad to know about your losses, but please confirm me that which strategy you are using. Guys, see, understand one thing. I have already talked about that thing, that it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and 100% loss. So please work on your skills also. Most of the traders, I have seen that they are ready to invest money, but they are not ready to invest time. And guys, for everything, whatsoever you are doing in your life, you have to invest your time. If I'll give you the easiest, simplest example, when you started walking, you invested time to learn that how to walk. Now it is a very common thing, like everybody know that how to walk, how to talk, but when you started, you invested time to learn that basic thing. Now this is something which can help you to earn your livelihood, on which you can depend if you are able to grab a hold on that one. So rather than taking some random trades and focusing or hoping that if the red candles are there, next can be red, if the green candles are there, next can be green, that is not trading, guys. That is just a fluke which you are trying to make. So try to grab hold on fundamental technicals, strategies. Once you will be able to get a hold on that one, then start trading, start investing money. I know everybody want to reach as soon as possible, so they are very fascinating by seeing that I'll click on up, if the market will go up, I will make some bucks. If the market will go down, I'll click on down, I'll be able to make some bucks. Yes, it is easy, but there is so much effort there, so much time which you need to invest just to analyze that on which button I should click. Okay, so please invest time on, and it's not only about our trading platform, it's about all the trading platforms. You have to invest time, you have to learn a couple of things, and then you will be able to. If you're new to the trading, just start it step by step. Just like in the beginning, just start exploring these channels, or like you can explore our channels, just explore the playlist. We have talked about so many strategies in the past. Every now and then, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we are conducting these live sessions in English. We are also conducting live sessions in Hindi, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Spanish. So many languages are available. Whichever is comfortable for you, just go for that. Explore that playlist. Just check at what time which language speaker is coming live, and take sessions as per that, as per your convenience. In case if you are occupied during those time zones, nothing to worry. Explore the playlist. Everything is safe there. After that, there is one website which you can explore. The name of the website is Investopedia. Investopedia, just go to the search bar, go for the price action, support, resistance, which that means, and then after that you can learn about chart patterns, candle patterns. So many things are there. But once you will start grabbing hold on even a single topic of that one, you will start finding some betterment in your results. But again, it's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So please invest your time also. Okay, Uttam ji, request you to please connect with the support. Withdrawal problem, why, sir? There is no issues or something like that. It's just this standard time frame. But if the time is more time has been passed more than standard time frame, support team is already there just to help you. So please connect with them. Thala, this is not fake. If you want to try connect with me, I will explain you. Good afternoon, sir. How to work bull spar and bear spar. Wasim ji, Ali ji, thank you so much for supporting me. And Wasim ji, all you just need to focus on that which strength is which par is having more strength. So you can see that there is a zero base level in both of them, whichsoever towers are having the bigger length, and at the same time you can see that the parabolic is also supporting the same direction or indicating the same direction. That can be the trend into the market. So as you can see that if I'll compare the length of this bar with this is similar, but if I'll move to the second one, or if I'll consider this one, so the market reversed from this candle. Again the market started moving into that specific direction. Once you will be able to grab a hold on this strategy, guys, you will be able to open some trades in the middle of these candles also, because when you will be able to see that there is so much strength in the bull spar or bear spar, you can open trade on the basis of these candles also. But in the initial, I will suggest always trade on whenever there is a new trend. So I mean to say that the market was moving into that specific direction. Let me show you some better examples just for more clarity. So see, market was moving into that upward direction. On this candle the market started moving into the downward direction. If I will be considering this parabolic dot, so first confirmation from the second parabolic that the market can move into the same direction. At the same time, just parallel to that, bull spar is also stating it's also below the zero base level, bear spar also below the zero base level. And if I check the strength of both of them, I can see bears, they are having the most strength. So they are stating that market can move into the downward direction, and market moved. So after some time, when the market will start changing their direction, so on the market moved their trend in the upward direction, we started getting the confirmation for the upward trend. So the first confirmation from the parabolic, second confirmation in the same direction that market can move in the same, we will be trying to confirm from the with the help of the bulls and bears. This time bulls are having the more strength as compared to the bears, so upward direction. And like you have seen that sometime we are not able to grab a hold on the strategy and the trades are going into the negative. I have just make a small change. All I have just changed the chart time frame to 2 minutes from 1 to 2, and I have just increased the trade time frame from 2 or 3 to 4 minutes. One trade was positive. I am expecting that the second will also go positive, and then we will keep on trying the same thing. Okay, so Ali Ranja is saying I am using rodeo strategy. Please 1 minute explain. Ali ji, I am so sorry. I will not be able to talk much about that one. But in the rodeo strategy, I believe parabolic is there, and then stochastic is there. Stochastic is something very beautiful, because majority of traders, they are struggling with that. Market is keep on moving into the upward direction. I took a upward trade. Market started moving into the downward. The market was keep on moving into the downward direction. I took a downward trade. Market reversed itself. So stochastic and RSI, they are something which can help you to find those situations when there can be a reversal, because stochastic is going to help you to know that when there is a overbought zone or oversold zone which can affect your trade. Okay, so Gins Pauls, today crypto composite index is too hard to predict. Sir, sometimes it happens like if some data is affecting this market. So whichever asset you are going to trade on, just do me a favor, just click on this button. Just check all the backend assets, because sometime if just I'm just giving you a rough example. So just imagine that if there is an asset who is also backed up with the help of composite, or just take an example of gold, sorry, commodities, gold. So if the gold prices keep on increasing or the gold prices keep on fluctuating, so that is going to affect that specific asset composite also. So also try to grab a hold on the backend asset, like what exactly is happening with them. So Muzammil ji asking what is technical analysis. Sir, technical analysis means all the technical tools, strategies, market news. Market news are a part of fundamentals. So technicals are like these indicators. Once you click on this technical analysis button, everything whatsoever is available in indicator, oscillator, and like composite of both of them is strategies. So these are your technical tools. These are going to calculate the market. Some of them, they are going to calculate the volume of that specific direction. Some of them, they are going to calculate the average of the previous candles, or the movement of the candles, or the price of the market. So they are going to analyze the market, that how the market can react. Technical is always based on the previous data which has been already published in the form of candles. So that is going to assume that at that specific time, or from that much time onwards, the market is trying to move in that specific direction, and that can be followed. Fundamental is based on the futuristic data, that if the data is going to be in that specific manner, market can react in such scenarios. If you want to grab a hold on that one, I will try to talk about these things also in the coming session. But in case if you will not be able to get some time with me, or I will not be able to talk about that, so you can do one thing. Just every Monday, one of my analysts, one of my colleague, Akash, he is used to conduct a webinar that is hardly for 30 minutes. The same time, same channel, but that is going to be only for 30 minutes. So as per Indian Standard Time, that is going to be 6:30 to 7. So if you are from another countries, as I can see that O'Brien ji is from Jamaica, so if whosoever is from whichever country, please convert it as per your time zone and join it as per that. 6:30 to 7, my colleague, my friend Akash is coming live, and he is talking about market news fundamentals. Just try to get in touch with him. So he will be guiding you that how these market fundamentals are going to affect the market, and how you can use that data, use that information to improve your tradings. Because 60 to 70% trading is only depending on your technical and your fundamental, and 40% is your trading psychology, your money management and risk management. So once you will be able to grab a hold on your money management and risk management, means you are not getting, very fascinating or excited when you are making some profits, and you are not getting depressed when you are making some losses. 40% of your trading is already done. Okay, so we lost this trade at a very last moment. If we would have opened this position a bit earlier, of course the trade was supposed to go into the positive, but we opened this position a bit late. But still we can see that the market was more in our favor as compared to the previous trades, because you can see that back to back trades were negative with a very big margin, and there was a drastic reversal in the market. But now we have started getting a bit hold on the market, on it. Nothing to worry, we will try. Or let's as I can see that it's been like market is almost open, the US market is almost already open. So I will try to use the same strategy again for the 2 minute. Let me try. If any signal will be there, of course I will be opening a trade, and this time I will open a trade with the $20 RFTs, because I want to recover a couple of bucks which I have lost in the past. So let's try with the RFT. Okay, so I'm just keep on shuffling my cards, keep on shuffling my assets. Wherever I will be finding any confirmation, I will be opening a trade. Okay, so let me see. Darshuji said I have an withdrawal request at 3 p.m. So when will I get in my bank proof? Darshuji, majority of the withdrawals, they are processed within 24 hours, like 90 to 95%. But the standard time frame is 24 hours to 5 working days. Once we will process it, so your status will be updated on the screen itself, on your platform itself. So you can expect it after that. Just stay calm. See guys, one more thing I just want to share with you. Sometime I am talking to some traders, and they are stating that, sir, my withdrawal was in processing. I was very fascinated, I was very eager to make more profit, and I started using the rest of the amount, and while doing some over trading, I have lost everything. Guys, understand one thing. If funds are available in your account, that will be withdrawal after 1 hour, 24 hour, 1 day, 2 day, whatsoever time it is going to take. But if the funds are there, of course that will get processed, or the current one will get processed. After that you can initiate the second one. But if you will wipe out the capital, then there is no hope to get that at all. I mean to say, hold on your horses, hold your capital also. Do not get irritated or frustrated or fascinated or pressurized and start doing over trading. Keep your capital for the next day, use it next day, so that you will be able to use it wisely rather than wiping out. That is not a solution, that is not a suggestion which I will be suggesting, because the longer the capital you are going to hold, the more opportunities you will be able to grab. So please focus on that thing also. I have a withdrawal request. Okay, Muzammelji, does this broker issue separate charts for each country? I have turned on the same pairs, but the chart is not working properly. What is the reason? The time frame is turned on properly. No, Muzammelji, everything should be same. Just make sure, like you have opened the same time frame. Like it should be 1 minute on the both, or 2 minute, or whatsoever you want to. Okay. Or there is a possibility that you might be checking some different assets. So make sure you are checking the same asset. No worries, Dashuji. I'm glad to help you. Okay, so let me see. I have opened one trade. Let's see if that is going into the positive. Okay, today market is very unpredictable, guys. Very unpredictable. I think we should use some another technicals also. Like we can use MACD or, but nothing to worry. We will keep on trying with the same efforts. And let me reduce the trade amount again, and I will again move to the 4-minute trade. Chart time frame should be 2 minutes. And guys, this name of the website which I have talked about, the name of the website was Investopedia. You can explore that website. Just go to the search button, look for start searching for the price action first, second, chart patterns, candle patterns. These are some of the common terms which you can use. Once you will start grabbing a hold on that, make sure you use it wisely. First you start using it on your demo. Do not take it right away to your live account. Start using it on your demo. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, only after that please take it to your live account. Okay, so luckily our trade, there was a sudden market reversal, and we managed to book a profit. We were able to recover $18. So far we have lost somewhere around 30 to 35. Let me see. So 1 2 3 4 50 55. So we managed to recover 23 out of that. So not bad, because I have already kept some reserve to trade during such sessions. So nothing to worry, but still I will try to recover it. Guys, if you still have any question, just drop me your comments. I am still available for next 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so the strategy which I was talking about, the name of website is Investopedia. You can explore that one. Any strategy, any new technical, whichever you are going to use or you are going to apply, make sure you open minimum to minimum 75 to 100 trades on your demo first. I know that is going to be time consuming, but guys, understand one thing. Once you will be able to grab a hold on something, only then you will be able to use it. It's like a sword. You have it, that is dangerous, that can help you to win a war, but only when you will be able to use it wisely, or only when you will be trained enough to use it. So make sure you have a hold on that. So it's not about that which weapon you have, it's always about how efficiently you can use it. So I'm not pushing you to start fighting with your friends and colleagues. I'm just trying to tell you one thing, that your strategies, your technical tools are going to be your weapons in the field of trading. Once you will be able to grab a hold, only then you will be able to use it. Okay, so make sure you use it wisely. And apart from that, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. Whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to get in touch with us, with another analyst. You will be able to learn new strategies, explore the previous playlist, and improve your skills. Okay, and as I have also talked about the market news, market updates, fundamentals, we were talking about such terms, and the conversation which one of my colleague Akash is used to take. So all the information which he is going to talk about and he will be talking about, everything is available on a website. You can explore any one of them. Either you can explore Yahoo Finance or investing.com. All the data is getting published over there. Like this is a website which I am following. You can explore another also if you want to. That is completely fine. But this website which I am exploring, either financial.com, sorry, either Yahoo Finance or investing.com. So 3 websites I have talked about: investing.com, Yahoo Finance, and Investopedia. Apart from that, if you want to learn anything more about that one, so YouTube channels are sessions are there. You can explore the help section, help center, and education. A lot of information is available, guys. A lot of information. So make sure you explore these two buttons also. And one last piece of information, I believe that will be very fascinating for you guys, that you guys might be happy to know about that. So there is one service which we guys are providing. As per that, once you will be able to reach to your expert level holders, or at least you have reached to your advanced level holders, so you will be applicable to take one-to-one session with our analyst. One-to-one session means, so these are going to be conducted on a Zoom application. That is going to be a two-way communication. If you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can ask them then and there, and they will be sharing their screen, talking to you and giving you information about that. Second best thing, whether you are going to take one session or 1000 session, all the sessions are going to be free of course. So do not need to pay anything ever to anyone, or nobody is going to ask you to pay something. In the meantime, if anybody is asking you to pay something, make sure that call is not from Olymptrade, because Olymptrade is not giving any paid services. For that, all you just need to make sure that your contact number should be updated on the platform. Just go to the settings, click on the contacts, update your contact number. Please avoid sharing your personal information like a contact number or emails in the comment section. Just upload on the platform itself. Make sure you update it over there, and whenever we will be calling, most of the time like our calls are coming from the +44 number, or it's an international number, so make sure you just attend the call. In case if you have missed the call, you were not like that call fall into the spam, or you were not able to take that call, or you found that that number is unknown number, and you just missed that opportunity, or you are not able to update your contact detail, or you missed any reason, just a simple solution: drop a message, email, or just make a call to the support team. Tell them your trader ID and your contact number only to the support team. Share it with them and just tell them, sir, I need some help in trading, please raise a callback request. Once you will be forwarding that request to the support team, they will be forwarding the same request to us. We will come into the picture and we will line up your session. And again, I'm confirming, sessions are going to be free of cost. So make sure, if you are on expert level, or if you were on expert level but because of any XYZ reason that your level is decreased now, but you were not able to take the benefit of that opportunity, that is completely fine. That is completely understood, because sometimes you miss the call or you are not able to connect with us. So still, if you were in the expert in the past also, just drop a message to the support team. We will try to grab hold on some slots for you, and we will line it up with you. And again, doesn't matter what is your current status, that is going to be free of cost. But for now, this service is only for the expert level holders. If you are an advanced level holder, you can take at least one session in a month. But once you will be on expert level holder, the number of session will increase. Sorry for the starter level holders, because for now that service is not available for you guys. But guys, for you, I am here, my colleagues are there, so every now and then we are going to come live to help you. So I'm repeating the timings again for the Hindi and English session. So every Tuesday and Thursday, 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time in Hindi. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 we are coming live in English. The Monday session is supposed to be for majority of time, it is for only for half hour. So make sure you subscribe the channel before winding up and stay connected with us. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. This is your host, this is your financial expert Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care, cheers.